Greetings fam, if you're checking out larger laptops that promise solid everyday performance without the huge price tag, this KAI GERR 17.3-inch Ryzen machine might have popped up in your feed. I spent hours diving into specs, benchmarks, and real user impressions from across the internet to give you an honest breakdown. If you're curious already, go ahead and click the link in bio to see the current price. This laptop rocks an AMD Ryzen 3 4300U processor, a 4-core, 4-thread CPU that is known to beat many low-end Intel N100 chips in everyday work and productivity benchmarks. It can boost up to 3.7 GHz, which helps keep things smooth when you're switching between apps or handling multiple browser tabs. For most non-gaming tasks, that's a reliable CPU for casual users. Paired with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM and a 512 GB SSD, the memory and storage setup here is actually generous for a machine in this price category. You should notice fast boot times, rapid application launches, and enough memory to keep lots of programs open without constant lag. For students, remote workers, and content creators on a budget, that's an appealing combination. One of the biggest draws of this laptop is the large 17.3-inch screen. It gives you extra workspace for spreadsheets, writing essays, editing photos, or streaming movies. The bigger display also makes multitasking more comfortable since you can have more windows visible without constantly reshuffling them. Connectivity options include a Type-C port, traditional USB slots, HDMI output, and a built-in webcam. That makes it easy to hook up to projectors, monitors, or external drives, and is a real plus for hybrid work or study setups. The Numeric keypad is another small but practical feature if you do a lot of data entry or number-heavy tasks. Battery capacity around 62.7 watt-hours is robust for a unit of this size. Coupled with the Ryzen 3's efficiency, you're likely to get several hours of web browsing, document work, or video playback on a single charge. Heavy workloads or games will drain it faster, of course, but this setup still performs well for typical day-to-day use. Now let's get real about gaming. The integrated Radeon graphics in the Ryzen 3 4300U can handle light games and older titles at low to medium settings, but you should not expect this to run modern AAA games smoothly. This is more of a productivity and casual entertainment machine than a dedicated gaming rig. There are a few limitations worth noting. The Ryzen 3 4300U is a slightly older chip compared to newer Ryzen 5000 or 7000 series processors, and DDR4 RAM is slower than newer DDR5 options. Build quality may also feel budget-oriented, and brand support for lesser-known brands like KAI GERR can vary more than with well-established manufacturers. Overall, after researching this laptop thoroughly across the internet, I'd say it's worth buying if your priorities are a large display, solid everyday performance, and good multitasking ability at a friendly price point, but not if you want next-level gaming power or cutting-edge components. Click the link below for the best price.